WeatherMax Forecast with meteorologist Caitlin Moffitt.
Good morning and happy Monday. We're off to a pretty cold start here across the Northland as we had a little bit of light snowfall yesterday morning on that Sunday. So, of course, we've got some fresh snow here on Spirit Mountain. This is just up the hill in Duluth here, kind of overlooking the city. So a cool shot to kind of show as the sun starts to lighten things up a bit because we still are under cloudy skies this morning. 19 degrees up on the hill, though, so pretty chilly start. Of course, winds are to the north at about 7 miles per hour. Some areas out of the east have a lot of variable wind speeds and directions yet this morning before they kind of shift to the south and east later this afternoon. 19 in Duluth, 17 in Hibbing, 12 in Grand Marais, 24 down in the Twin Cities, 23 in Eau Claire, 28 in Rhinelander, and 28 over in Marquette. So a lot of clouds still kind of hanging around, but you'll notice the Brainerd area now seeing clear skies because high pressure is down to our south and kind of going to help push out those clouds for a couple of hours before our next round of clouds move in ahead of that low pressure system. This morning on the Doppler Satellite, pretty quiet out there across the region, just seeing some light flurries kind of moving across the north shore and then across the south shore, but otherwise pretty dry start to Monday. High pressure's in place all day today, so of course this is 11 o'clock today. You'll notice those clouds out of our region. Plenty of sunshine. Temperatures won't be so warm, but the sunshine will be a little bit of a nice start to our work week. And then, of course, Tuesday morning, 3 o'clock a.m., you'll notice we've got two systems. So we've got a Colorado low, which is kind of the dominant one of these two systems, which is kind of the driving force of what's going to bring in this rain mix to central Wisconsin. The bulk of the system still remaining on a southerly track, which is good news for us here. We're going to kind of get clipped by the system. And then, of course, a shortwave approaches from another low pressure system. That's going to bring our best chance at seeing some snowfall activity Tuesday morning through Tuesday afternoon. Look how scattered it is, but more confined along the north shore. Of course, there is some easterly winds, of course, kind of helping that as well. So the higher totals are expected there, but really very scattered and light in nature. And by 7 o'clock, most of that's kind of moved out of the region. We're seeing some flurries, even some sprinkles, because there's a lot of rain mixing in with that system as it continues in the Ironwood area by 7 o'clock on Tuesday. And then, of course, Wednesday, we're kind of just sitting under cloudy skies. So closer view here by a different model run just to show you very similar conditions. Clear skies today, sunny skies, but the clouds increase tonight. This is 11 o'clock, and here comes that snow. Very widespread. Tuesday morning at around 9 o'clock, we will all see some snow showers, but it's going to be very light in snow. And then, of course, the North Shore is going to see that heavier amount. Kind of just sit right around the Grand Marais area. A lot of rain mixing in for northern Wisconsin. So also very low totals for those folks as well. And then, of course, that moves out very early Tuesday afternoon. Trace to 2 inches is really what I'm thinking for snow totals amounts. 1 to 3, though, for the North Shore with some areas at higher terrain. Of course, the east wind only helping that as well. So, of course, keep that in mind as we head through our day on Tuesday. Today, 29 up on the hill, 27 in Ely, 30 in Grand Rapids. We'll see plenty of sunshine today. Clouds do increase, though, in the afternoon hours. And then tonight, mostly cloudy skies because clouds will increase temperatures. Very steady in the mid-20s as we see a southeast wind about 5 to 10. Tuesday, we'll see 32 degrees. The chance for snow showers kind of in the morning through the afternoon. Temperatures, though, continue to climb all week long as we head closer to Thanksgiving and Black Friday. A little round of snow Tuesday, more so I think just going to make a nuisance on the roads, make it a little messy out there on Tuesday afternoon, kind of a cloudy day. Wednesday, same thing goes, but temperatures come Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Saturday, all looking pretty beautiful.
Nice.
Upper
yeah,
30s.
That's what we like to hear. Not like last year.
No, completely different from last year.
Very different. The last Thanksgiving.
Very thankful for that.
So that'll be nice.
Yes.
Today just might be a little
chilly.
Good day to bundle up.
Yes, exactly.
Thanks, Caitlin.
Yep.